The thing I find most rewarding with my specialty is really being able to change somebody from being pretty disabled and having a hard time getting around to being able to get back into having an active lifestyle and being out of pain. I focus on joint replacement surgery, which means hip and knee replacement surgery. I specialize in a direct anterior approach for the majority of my patients. So I actually grew up and was born and raised in Bend. It's pretty special that I'm getting to come back to my hometown and practice medicine here. I really love being in Central Oregon and the overall vibe of the community and how active and dedicated to getting back into outdoor activity everybody in town is. I take a lot of pride in taking really great care of people. I spend a lot of time with patients. I think that the thing that they're letting me do in doing a major surgery on them is a gift, and I try my best to really be there for my patients and to take a really intricate amount of time helping get them back into the activity that I'd like them to be able to do. My name is Dr. Erin Finter, and I'm a joint replacement surgeon at the center.